Alright guys, so welcome back again So, wag natin patagalin. Ang ating talakayin ngayong araw ay tungkol sa Skewness and Kurtosis. So, for this video, we will be discussing about or we'll have an example with group data. So, we'll solve for the Skewness and Kurtosis for a group data, for both population and sample data. Okay? So, simulan na nga natin ayan ngayon, these are the formula for Skewness. So, ayan yung ating formula for the Skewness. We have 4 formula. Sa unang tingin, kakalain natin na mahirap yan, pero madali lang yan actually. Paano masabi? Magkakamukha lang yan. Magkakaiba lang yung kanilang symbol. No? So, kaya tayo merong 4 na formula. Kasi meron tayong formula for the ungrouped data, for both population and sample, and then group data for population and sample also. So, kaya meron tayong 4 na formula for Skewness and Kurtosis. Kailangan malaman muna natin kung yan ba ay group data or ungrouped data. Kung population ba yan or sample ba yan. Kasi iba-iba yung formula na kailangan nating gamitin. Okay, so again, sabi ko nga ngayong araw, sa video na to, ang ating example ay tungkol sa group data. Pero explain pa rin natin kung ano ba yung formula natin for the ungrouped and group data. So for the ungrouped data, sa Skewness, under population, let us use SKU for the symbol of Skewness. That is the summation of x minus mu quantity raised to 3 all over n multiplied by sigma cube. So ano ba yung mga letters na yan? Yung summation na yun, ibig sabihin, i-add mo daw yung lahat ng values ng x minus mu raised to 3. Ano ba yung x? That is our sample data. That is our data. Mu is our population mean, n, capital N, is our total population, and sigma, that is our population standard deviation. Okay, so kailangan natin tandaan yung formula na yan. So for the sample, magkamukha lang yon, summation of x minus bar x raised to 3. Kung baga yung concept niya magkamukha lamang, pinagkaiba lang yung symbol. So again, for the sample SKU, summation of the quantity x minus bar x raised to 3 all over quantity n minus 1 multiplied by s cube. So dito naman sa sample, ang denominator kanina dun sa population, capital N, hindi tayo nagbawas. Dito naman sa sample, magbabawas tayo ng isa. So yung ating sample size, babawasan ng isa and then multiply by the sample standard deviation. So yung bar x, that is our sample mean. S is our sample standard deviation. Okay, so that is for the ungrouped data. So for the group data naman, ito yung formula natin. So under population, we have summation of f, or summation of f multiplied by the quantity x minus mu raised to 3. All over the summation of f multiplied by the sigma cube. So mamaya, sa example natin, madali na lang maipaliwanag yan. Ngayon kasi, kung titingnan natin ng ganyan, mahirap intindihin. Ano ba yung f? That is the frequency. Sa group data kasi, meron na tayong tinatawag na frequency. Then again, mu is the population mean. Sigma is our population standard deviation. So under the sample formula, summation of x minus bar x cube all over summation of f minus 1. So dito ngayon, total ng frequency natin, magbabawas ulit tayo ng isa kasi nga sample Skewness yung ating kinukuha. Multiply by s cube. So again, s is our sample standard deviation. Okay, so those are the formula for the Skewness. Now, ito naman yung formula for the Kurtosis. So again, 4 ulit sila. Under ungrouped data, 2, and then under group data, 2. So, under population, we have this formula. Ngayon, kung mapapansin ninyo, kung ikukumpara natin yan sa skewness, ang common exponent niya is 3. Yan, kitang-kita naman. Dito naman sa kurtosis, ang pinagkaiba lang niya, yung exponent niya is 4. Okay? So, yun yung ating kailangan tandaan sa dalawa na yan. Halos magkamukha lang sila ng formula, pinagkaiba lang yung kanilang exponent. Now, hindi na natin isa-isahin pa yung formula ng kurtosis. Kasi sabi ko nga, halos magkamukha sila ng skewness, magkaiba lang yung kanilang exponent. Ngayon, yung mga formula na binigay ko ngayon is maybe magkaiba sa mga formula na alam ninyo. Kasi iba-iba yung formula na binibigay ng prof, ng mga teachers, ng textbooks online. So, ito kasi nakita ko to online. Actually, marami tayong formula online. Kaya lang, yung mga formula na yon is gagamitin natin under specific circumstances. So, ngayon, kung iba yung formula na ginagamit ng inyong teacher o prof sa aking ituturo ngayon, suggestion ko lamang is gamitin ninyo yung formula na ginagamit nyo sa classroom. Okay? Pero ngayon, kung magkamukha tayo ng formula, mas maganda. Kasi ituturo ko yung proseso kung paano ba kuhanin or kung paano gamitin yung mga formula na meron tayo ngayon. Okay?
Okay.
So ngayon, magbigay na tayo ng example para mas madali nating maintindihan yung formula. So example number 1, calculate the population skewness, population kurtosis from the following group data. So again, sabi ko nga, ang ating tatalakayin ngayon is group data. So ang hinahanap dito ngayon is population. Alright? So sa population, meron tayong specific formula. For skewness, ayan, yung ating summation of quantity x minus mu raised to 3 all over n multiply by sigma cube. And for the kurtosis naman, raised to 4 lang. Pinagkaiba ng dalawa. So ngayon, sa pag-solve ng skewness and kurtosis, gagawa tayo ng table. Okay? So, gawa tayo ng table dito sa ating papel. So, yung first column natin is yung class. Dito natin kukuhanin yung ating x value. So, yung class is 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, and 8 to 10. Ayan. Ngayon, kailangan natin kuhanin yung x. Ano yung x? Yung average ng 2 and 4. So, ang average ng 2 and 4 is 3. Average ng 4 and 6 is 5. Average ng 6 and 8, 7. And ng 8 and 10 is 9. Alright? So, yan yung ating x. Lagay natin yung frequency natin. Label na lang natin as f. Ano yung frequency natin? 3, 4, 2, and 1. Sensya na medyo lumalabo-labo yung nag-autofocus kasi yung camera natin eh. So again, meron na tayong x and f. Kailangan natin ngayon is sorry, kanina yung formula pala na nasabi ko is for ungroup data pala yon. So for group data, meron tayong f, no? Meron tayong f, that is yung frequency. Ito ngayon yung formula natin. So, mali yung nasabi ko nung una, before mag-start yung ating example number 1. So, ito yung formula na gagamitin natin kasi nga group data. Meron tayong f. Okay? So, yun lang naman pagkakaiba ng dalawa. So, yun na nga, meron tayong f. So, by looking at our formula, kailangan natin magkaroon ng x minus mu raised to 3. Then, x minus mu raised to 4. Pero kailangan din natin ng sigma. Paano ba natin makukuha ang sigma? Sigma is equal to the square root of summation of x minus mu or summation of f multiplied by x minus mu squared all over capital N. Meaning, kailangan din natin yung x minus mu raised to 2. Okay? So, ang umpisa natin gagawin, karagdagang column na gagawin natin is x minus mu. Meron tayong x, wala tayong mu. So, kunin natin yung mu, ano? Dito na lang natin nilagay. Mu. Mu is our population mean. So, saan natin makukuha yon? Dito. Kukunin natin yung mean na to. 3579. Okay? So, kunin natin. 3 plus 5. Actually, meron tayong f nga pala. So, 3 multiply by 3. So, 3 multiply by 3. Ito. Plus 5 multiply by 4. Plus 7 multiply by 2. Plus 9 multiply by 1. Okay? So, yun yung ating numerator. All over, yung total number ng frequency. 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 10. So, yung mu natin, that is equal to, let us solve, ano? Three multiplied by 3 is 9, plus 5 multiplied by 4 is 20, plus 14 plus 9 all over 10. That is 5.2. So, yung mu natin is 5.2. Alright? Now, x minus mu, meaning, itong mga x natin, susubtract natin dun sa 5.2. Okay? Now, we have 3 minus 5.2, that is negative 2.2. Right? Next, 5 minus 5.2, that is negative 0.2. Next, 7 minus 5.2, we have 1.8. Then 9 minus 5.2, we have 3.8. Next column is x minus mu squared. So, meaning, etong column na to, i-square lang natin yung mga numbers na to. Yun yung ilalagay natin dito. Okay, now, square ng negative 2.2. So, using our calculator, we have 4.84. Then, square ng negative 0.2, that is 0.04. Square ng 1.8, we have 3.24. Then, square ng 3.8, we have 14.44. Next is x minus mu cube. Okay? Cube naman. So, i-cube naman natin ngayon yung mga values under this column. So, negative 2.2 cube, we have negative 10.65. Next is negative 0.2. I-cube natin yon. We have negative 0.00 8. So, gamit na lang kayo ng calcio, no? So, 1.8 cube, that is 5.83. Then, 3.8 cube, actually, lagyan natin to ng up to 3 decimal places. So, itong 10.65, actually, this is 10.648. Up to 3 decimal places, So, ang square na to is, ang cube ng 1.8 is 5.832. Next is 3.8. That is 54.876. Yun. Next is x minus mu raised to 4. So, i-raise to 4 naman natin ito. Okay? So, using our calculator, we have the first row as 23.426. Raised to 4 ng negative 0.2 is 0.0016. Next, 1.8, that is 10.498. Then 3.8 is 200, 208.514. Alright, so meron na tayong x minus mu squared, x minus mu cube, x minus mu raised to 4. But, ang ating formula is f multiplied by x minus mu squared, f multiplied by x minus mu cube, and f multiplied by x minus mu raised to 4. So meaning, etong column na to multiply natin doon, etong column na to multiply natin dito, etong column na to multiply natin dito. So another column, ano? Which is f multiplied by x minus mu squared. So eto, ang ano lang yan, multiply mo lang itong frequency dito sa ating x minus mu squared. Okay? So multiply na natin. We have now 14.52. So kayo nang bahala mag-calculate, no? Kasi na-calculate na to bago pa tayo magsimula para dire-diretso na tayo. So 4 multiplied by 0.04, that is 0.16. The next row is 6.48. Next row is 14.44. Right? Then isasum natin. I-add natin tong lahat na to. Add mo to. Yung apat na yan. So the total is 35.6. Kayo nang bahalang mag-add. The next column is f multiplied by x minus mu cube naman. So, ito naman. So, again, na-ready ko na yan. So, we have negative 31.944, negative 0.032, 664. Next is 54.876. So, add din natin yon. Etong mga yan, add natin yan. We have 34. Ay, hindi pala. Tama. 34.564. Kasi may negative nga pala. Next column. I think this is the last column. F multiplied by x minus mu raised to 4. Ngayon, bakit nga pala tayo nag-add, nag-sum? Kasi ang sabi, summation of f multiplied by x minus mu squared. Ibig sabihin, sum daw nito. So, ito yung summation. Ito yung summation. Ito yung summation dito sa part na to. So, pag multiply natin tong f ngayon, tsaka ito. So, meron na ulit ako niyan, 70.278. 0.006, 496, 20.496, and 208.514. Alright. So, kapag inad ko yan, meron akong total na 299.794. Okay? So, ito ngayon yung table natin. Ayan. Yan yung kailangan nating mabuo para makakuha tayo ng Skewness and Kurtosis. Ngayon, sa formula natin, kailangan natin ng sigma. So, yung sigma, makukuha natin yan using the formula, the square root of summation of f multiplied by x minus mu squared all over summation of f. Ano ba yung summation of f? Yung summation of f natin, yung total na to. So, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1 is 10. 10. Kumbaga, yun yung total population natin. Okay? So, using this formula, we have the square root of, ito, summation of f multiplied by x minus mu squared, ito yon. Ito yung f multiplied by x minus mu squared, then, summation, 35.6. Ito yon. Okay? So, this is 35.6 all over 10. So, again, using our calculator, The answer is 1.89. That is our sigma. Hindi pa yun yung ating skewness and kurtosis, ano? So, ito na. Solve na natin yung skewness natin. So, skewness, let's use skew as the symbol. Our formula is summation of f multiplied by x minus mu cube all over summation of f multiplied by sigma cube. Right? So, etong numerator na to, eto lang yan. 34.564. Kasi that is f, then x minus mu cube, then sum down nun, 34.564. Yun lang yun. 34.564. Diba? Kapag titingnan mo sa formula, parang napakahirap. Pero, kapag nagawa mo na yung table, kuha ka na lang ng values.
Oh my God! Wow!
So, 34.564, summation of f is 10, multiplied by sigma cube. Ito yon 1.89. Raised to 3. So, gamit yung ating mahiwagang calculator, ano magiging sagot natin? 34.564, 34.564 all over 10 multiplied by 1.89 raised to 3. That is 0.512. So, that is our skewness for this example. Yan. Then, yung ating kurtosis, again, applying our formula, summation of f multiplied by x minus mu raised to 4 all over summation of f multiplied by sigma cube. Okay? So, applying by substitution, etong numerator natin, ito lang yun. 299,794. So, 299.7794 all over 10 multiplied by, actually this is 4, sorry. This is 4. 1.89 raised to 4. Alright, so our kurtosis now is equal to, so again using our calculator, 299.794 all over 10 multiplied by 1.89 raised to 4. That is equal to 2.3495. So, gawin na lang natin 2.35. That is our kurtosis. So, that is the process on how we solve for the skewness and kurtosis in group data, population data. Okay, that is for example number 1. So, sa example number 2 natin, ang hinihingi lang naman dyan is sample skewness and kurtosis ng the same data, same group data. So, ang iibahin lang natin yung formula. So, dito ko na lang ilalagay sa baba. Kasi yung table na gagamitin natin ay ito rin. Kasi wala namang nagbago sa value. Same class, same F. So, the same lang yung makukuha natin na to. Okay? So, example number 2, sample skewness and kurtosis. Kukunin lang natin yung panibagong standard deviation, panibagong skewness, and bagong kurtosis. Kasi, ang standard deviation dito is for population itong mga sagot na to. Ang hinahanap natin ngayon ay for the sample data. Okay? Ngayon, sa sample data, ang kaibahan lang, ito ay magiging, gamit tayo ng ibang kulay. Ito ay magiging bar X. Nakikita ba? Ayan. Ito ay magiging bar X. Tapos, ngayon, ito ay magiging X minus bar X. Ito ay magiging X minus bar X squared x minus bar x cube, x minus bar x raised to 4, x minus bar x squared, and so on. Okay, yun lang yung pagkakaiba. Pero yung values niya, yun pa rin naman yun. Kasi magkamukha lang naman yung mu and bar x. Dito sa sample natin, sa example natin na to, ha. Okay, so nakuha na natin table. Ito na yung table natin eh. Kunin na natin ngayon yung sample standard deviation, which is S. S. Sample standard deviation, our formula is the square root of summation of f x minus bar x squared all over summation of f minus 1. So remember, sa sample kasi laging may minus 1 doon sa total sample size. Laging may minus 1 sa denominator, ano? So, by substitution, so again, itong x minus bar x squared na yan, multiply by f, ay, ito lang yun. Ay, sorry, saan ba yun? Ito lang yun, 35.6. Right? So, 35.6 all over summation of f is 10 minus 1. So, S now is equal to square root ng 35.6 all over 9. That is 1.99. 1.99. So, nakuha na natin yung S. Makukuha na natin yung Skewness and Kurtosis. So, using our formula again, for the Skewness, group data sample, that is summation of f x minus bar x raised to 3 all over quantity summation of f minus 1 multiply by s cube. Okay? So, equals, so again, ito, numerator natin, ito lang yan, 34.564. So, 34.564 all over summation of f minus 1 is 9 multiply by s cube, 1.99 raised to 3. So, our Skewness, ay, ano ba yan? Equals, so using our calculator, 34.564 all over 9 multiplied by 1.99 raised to 3. We have 0.487. So that is our Skewness for example number 2. Alright. So sa Kurtosis naman, using the same concept, gamitin natin yung formula ng Kurtosis, which is summation of f multiplied by x minus bar x raised to 4 all over summation of f minus 1 multiplied by s raised to 4. So again, itong numerator natin, ito lang yon, 299.794, 299.794 all over 9 multiplied by 1.99 raised to 4. Therefore, our Kurtosis now is, natin yung calculate natin, 299.794 all over 9 multiplied by 1.99 raised to 4, which you have 2.124. Therefore, that is our Kurtosis. And that is how we solve for the Skewness and Kurtosis for the group data, population, and sample. So, itong example na to is for population. Ito naman ay for sample. Okay? So, for our next video, bigyan naman tayo ng example for ungroup data, both population and sample also. Yun, maraming salamat sa panonood mga kaibigan. Huwag niyong kalimutang i-like ang ating channel. Toot! At gayon din, syempre mag-subscribe na rin kayo. Toot! At huwag niyo rin kalimutan na pindutin yung ating bell upang makareceive ng mga notification sa mga susunod nating videos. Toot! Maraming salamat. So, ayun na nga mga kaibigan, ngayon, kung kayo ay meron pang mga karagdagang katanungan or meron kayong gustong malaman pa na medyo naguguluhan kayo sa loob ng klase o saan pa man, maaari kayong mag-send or mag-message ng mga katanungan ninyo sa mga accounts na ito. Sa aking Gmail account is engineerulysses@gmail.com, at sa aking Facebook account naman, ito yung aking official account, is Yuli Cruz Cruz. So mag-message lamang kayo dyan ng inyong katanungan at susubukan natin yan ay sagutin upang tayo ay makatulong hindi lamang sa inyo at pati na rin sa iba. Yun lamang, maraming salamat at pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon. Maraming salamat.